Hey, welcome back. I'm Todd Smith with another video teaching you how to make money and achieve financial freedom with real estate investing. Over the years, I've been blessed to teach tens of thousands of investors from newbies to millionaires, so I know I can help you too. But before we get into today's topic, if you haven't done so already, I just want to remind you to check out my free 90-minute online training class about how to buy houses without cash or credit at realestateCashflowSecrets.com. I'll put that link and maybe some other resources in the description for this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button below this video. And for some reason, YouTube made it harder. So after you hit subscribe, you got to hit the bell and then you got to hit all to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the money-making information that I have to share with you, because I do upload videos regularly. Fair enough? All right, let's get started.
All right, so for all you house flippers out there and wholesalers, I kind of got some bad news. The bad news is, if those are the only one or two strategies that you know, you're actually leaving millions of dollars on the table. But it's not your fault. You see, flipping houses has been glorified all over TV, right? Everywhere you go, HGTV, flip this house, flip that house, flip this city, flip that city, right? So that's glorified. And the other thing that's glorified is wholesaling, because that's what all the gurus are teaching, because it's the easiest thing for them to teach. It's the easiest thing for people to understand. So it's the easiest thing for them to get more course sales with, all right? But there's actually several other strategies that you need to learn, because all of your deals are not going to fall into retailing, house flipping, or wholesaling category, right? So some of the other strategies that I like to use that made me a lot of money are lease options, getting the deed, which is taking over payments, and then seller financing. So with all these strategies can be done without cash and without credit. That's the beauty of it. And most of the time without even dealing with contractors. How cool is that? All right. So if you want to simplify your life and get some more strategies where you can make more money in more markets and take advantage of more deals that you're bypassing now, then I definitely encourage you to check out my upcoming videos and learn more about some of these other strategies. Unfortunately, I don't have time to go into them all today, but definitely check out some of the upcoming videos, and we'll get you on the right track.
Hey, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out any additional resources that I might have for you in the description section of this video. If you like this video, then show me some love with a heart on Facebook or a thumbs up on YouTube, and leave a comment below to let me know how the video helped you. If you have any real estate investing questions, go ahead and write those in the comments below, and it just may become the topic of my next video. If you know anybody else that might benefit from this video, then go ahead and share it. Be sure to check out my upcoming videos, and until next time, may all your parents have rich children, and may all your children have rich parents.